everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a little fun with some embellishment on a painting that I have, and I love this painting. But I want to just make it even a little bit better. So I'm going to put some resin on it, and I'm going to bling it out a little bit with some mirrored glass that I have, with some glitters, a little bit of this and that. I just thought it'd be kind of fun to play around. I am using KS resin, equal parts hardener to resin. So a couple colors that I'm going to use for sure. I'm going to use some of this glitter that I got from, just dumped it all over the floor. From either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, or Michael's or Walmart. This one here is Sapphire. This one here is Midnight Gem. It's got all kinds of pretty little shards in there. This one's just kind of real fine glitter. Maybe I'm going to use some of this here. I got from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Aqua Holographic. And then I have some black glitter that I got from Walmart. And yeah, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down my base, a light coat of resin all over. so pretty. See, I had these, but 1/2 inch, it's just way too big. Look at how thick that is. Well, at least I only paid $2.99 for the bag. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I think it's beautiful. I can't wait till it's dry. So much sparkle. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. All my art is for purchase. If you're interested in anything or commission piece, something similar but different colors, you can email me at AmysCreativeAcrylics@gmail.com. Yeah. But I do thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.